Gartner workshops are designed to be a dynamic and collaborative experience. Our experts host each 90-minute session, guiding attendees as they work together in small groups to solve real-life scenarios and discuss how to apply new insights to their own business challenges.
Workshops are built to address attendees' most critical priorities through exclusive Gartner research with industry leaders.
From large ideas like workplace culture to tackling specific challenges, Gartner workshops can provide valuable insights and best practices so you can walk away ready to make better business decisions.
Think of a challenge. Think of a roadblock that's in front of you.
In the workshop, we'll spend time outlining best practices.
We're there to listen and guide and to make sure you come up with a practical approach that you can apply to your own priorities.
And finally, we provide a framework for implementing the skills you develop so you can put them into practice with your team right away.
Attending the Gartner conference and the different workshops has helped me achieve my goals because I've learned different ideas on how I can advocate for myself and for the team for different solutions that we can bring.
The workshop really added a lot to the conference because instead of just being a passive listener, I get to interact with both experts and people at my own level.
That's what the workshops are, is putting the concepts and the ideas into practice in a group and have it vetted so that you have the playbook, so to speak, to come back and help your teams follow the same process.